like once.
All of it is
like move fast when you do it.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
It's Psyche.
Never gotta sweat that. You can bet that. Never gotta sweat that. You can bet that. Never gotta sweat that.
This is my decision. I don't think you listen. You listen. I don't think you listen. For me to come out, it must mean I'm not the dog. It must mean I'm not the safest. For me to come out, it means that I'm not the dog. I want to show you my world. Give me one break, I need faith. Faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me, only you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only make me your matter, make me your matter, make me your matter. Show me your signs, make me your person, make me your person. Give me one break, I need faith, faith to believe you, faith to receive you. Give me something I'm lacking, I don't need nothing. You are my everything. Only me and you, only me and you.
good morning and welcome back to another vlog. As you just see, I just finished hanging out with some clothes and I'm already sweating because, don't mind me, I'm already dirty. I'm in here sweeping out. Me, I can't stand a nasty place. I can't stand mess. A little bit of I guess germaphobe, whatever, phobe, cleanophobe, whatever you want to call it. So, and just right now being in the space is kind of irking my skin. Oh, just because I hate seeing when my place is a mess. Oh, it just drives me crazy. But I know it's construction house, so I have to bear with it, and I am most grateful because work is getting done. So finally, guys, we got our tiles for the floor. Oh my gosh. So the other day we went into the store and I seen it. No, I didn't get it at Active. I went to a different store and I seen that they had the one that I want, so we jumped on it. And the good thing about it, it was also on sale, so it worked out perfect. So we ended up spending less than what we thought we would have spent. So that's amazing. So I'm happy we got all the tiles. Mr. Williams just went into town and paid down all the tiles. Yeah, so for the floor, I am excited because I actually would love to have just one tile going straight through the house. I hate seeing the different mix match tiles. It drives me crazy. Yeah, but you know what? Me and Mr. Williams, we both work hard. And for me, if this is going to be my forever home, I want what I want. And I am willing to spend that extra. The time when we actually did this floor, for those that don't know, this house, I think it's the section of the house, it's been here for probably more than 10 years. But it's been 10 years since the floors them have been down. Yeah, so 10 years since the floor in the room that we're currently in and the kitchen has been tiled. About 10 to 9 years, yeah, about there. Since that floor has been tiled. So just having one tile go through the bottom floor, the room, the room that we're in now, that's gonna be renovated, but at a later date. Yeah, so but the tiles them in that room I'll most likely keep because initially when we picked that tile, it was something that you pick and say, okay, it's a forever tile. But if you guys are building a house, and here's a good advice, and you don't see the tiles them that you want, it's better to just get like what they call it. I don't know if it's a quick carpet, easy carpet. I don't know. You guys can tell me. It's that blue thing that I bought and put down in the room where the girls are in for now until the floor is tile. So if you don't see the tiles in that you want, save up, wait, and definitely wait and get what you want. Don't just tile the house for tiling it, because the worst thing is you end up tiling the floor and then you don't end up necessarily liking the tile, but you get it because you just wanted to put tile down and get in the house. It's better you wait and then tile it afterwards, because then you're gonna end up lifting it up and regretting it. So that is pretty much what is going on. The tile for the stairs are still debating whether to go with the same tile, probably either the same tile that we have now, that we just got, or something similar that will match back what we got on the floor. But you guys are gonna have to wait and see. I don't know how I'm going to do this housing series part, so um, I might record, might not record, or well, most likely I will be recording, but I might just put everything into one vlog when it's all said and done. But we will take it in stride as things are happening. But anyways, I'm up. I'm gonna finish sweep up this place, so at least the workman is working in a clean environment. Last night I didn't get to sweep up because I already showered. I was too tired. I didn't even come back and finish the vlog. I'm sorry. Again, I didn't come back and finish the vlog, and yeah, there was just so much going on because Pops was outside in the bath pan for over 2 hours playing. So I was sitting and watching him. I didn't even vlog that, but yeah. So the reason why that tank was the one that was on top of our house, and we ended up having to buy another one. So if I have a clip of what happened to that tank, I will put it in here. If not, well, let me explain to you guys. So what happened is we've had that tank for a while, and like I told you guys about like getting certain furniture, living in the country area, there's a thing that's called chichi, or they call it termite. Calling me. Hello. Why? I'm gonna answer you professional. Alright guys, so let me show you. So the wall has been finished rendering. So it's still wet, as you can see. All of it is finished now. Look at that. Look at that, baby. Smooth. Don't mind the floor. It's a construction partially lived in zone. But as you can see, is all done. But over here, you see is just that little piece there that you see is a little bit wet, and then under the stairs. So that will be finished tomorrow. Yeah. And that's it. So in here will be finished, but in here's a construction zone. Oh, let me show you guys the makeshift pool Mario made for Romario. Yeah. So. Oh Lord. Where is that there? Let me hear say this. So this was the tank, and see Mario made a makeshift pool. So we're gonna fill this with water, and then he has it to play in. Yes. So which is good. So that's what it is.